Good evening, all of you. Okay, so let's start. So the purpose is directly related to the exam. Okay. So if you see the questions from fundamental right is one such topic where this I used to think, but I never used to say. But somebody very senior said this to me. I said, you just said what I used to think. That it is, we give disproportionate time to fundamental rights. In the entire UPSC, this whole industry, a substantial time is given to fundamental rights. For example, anywhere in the country, you have 40, 42 classes, 7, 8 classes go on fundamental rights. So that is giving 24 to 27 hours on fundamental right due to its fundamental character and such. It is the Magna Carta of the Constitution. So from academic perspective, from the perspective of law, it is very important. But from the perspective of prelims, there are 1 or 2 questions that are asked. 2 questions are asked. Okay, 1, 2 questions are asked. So we always have to keep in mind that there must be the doctrine of proportionality applied in our preparation also. You must have heard about the doctrine of proportionality. Anuradha Bhasin case, Supreme Court said that the level of, for example, you are restricting someone's freedom of speech and expression by suspending internet services. Thus must be directly proportionate to the cause. You cannot use howitzer to kill an ant. आप चीटी तोप से चीटी को नहीं मार सकते. So if you are suspending the internet services, there must be a strong reason. You cannot suspend. So there is a doctrine of proportionality. So in fundamental rights, primarily, if you see, UPSC asks conceptual questions from 3 articles: Article 14, Article 21, and Article 25. If they're asking a conceptual question, they will ask from Article 14, Article 21, and 25. So since we know that they are going to ask, and still if we are not preparing, like it is, if you sit down with what you call calm peace of mind, you will understand that there are questions can be speculated. Okay. So they ask conceptual questions from 14, 21, and 25. At times they also ask from Article 32. 21 say they ask the question, principle of natural justice, fair and just application of law. So अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 टॉपिक्स: पेसा, पंचायत एक्सटेंशन टू शेड्यूल्ड एरियाज, राइट ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट डवेलपर्स एक्ट, 5th शेड्यूल एंड 6th शेड्यूल. 100% there will be one question. So what I am trying to bring to you is कि थोड़ा smart way of preparation, so that we know that they are going to ask question from these areas. So why not we can have certain key areas, give them some more 2-4 hours of attention and get 2 to 3 questions correct. So out of these 4 topics, 5th schedule, 6th schedule, Panchayat extension to scheduled areas, and right of traditional forest dwellers and scheduled tribe act से एक question हो गई, and it will take half an hour. Maximum 1 hour, you can easily cover that. Then from Article 14, Article 21, Article 25, they will ask one question other than what you know. Sometimes they ask conceptual question that principle of natural justice पूछा और trap कर लिया between fair, just and reasonable and principle of natural